Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sonam and I am from Uttar Pradesh, district Jaunpur. Okay, so I am belonging in a small villages. So small village. Okay, so here you can see this is my house. This is my kacha house, and I am here. I am standing. I'm speaking in front of camera, and you can see the birds are chirping here. And what a lovely, what a glorious evening! And I am very happy because this is village life. You can see this is village life, and I'm very proud to myself because I am a villager person. Okay, what a scenario, what a view you can see here. And you know, the birds are chirping, the weather is amazing, and um, a breeze is uh, blowing slowly, and I am speaking here English. My topic is, you just try to speak English language. Okay, don't stuck. If you stuck, what happened? Don't worry. Okay, you just speak. Don't wait for the right time. Okay, don't wait for the right time. You start to speaking. How to speak? First topic is that what, how to speak, how to improve our speaking English language, how to improve our um, our communication skill. Okay, no matter where are you come from, no matter what is your family background, no matter what is your education. Do you know, I am speaking because it's possible only on social media, on YouTube, podcast, some English movies, videos, and I like English cartoon. Really, I like very I just like a English cartoon. So main funda is that, don't afraid, you just speak whatever you want. Don't think in Hindi language. Okay, don't translate Hindi to English. You speak whatever you want, you just speak it. Even although the words the word and the sentences is wrong, don't worry. Okay, and you know, I am very proud, and I am speaking. You know, this is my vlog, and I'm very happy now. You can see this is the scenario of my village, and here this is my house, and this house is a really broken house. Okay, this house is really, it's a broken house. And what should we do? If you are a village person, if you know, this is very peaceful places here. Very uh, very peaceful place. Okay, and you can see this is my house. Wow, what a lovely house. So you know, somebody says, why are you speaking like this? Why are you speaking in English language? What are you doing? Why are you making video? I am saying nothing. Don't worry. Why I am afraid? Why? I want to improve myself. I want to talk to myself. I want to speak English fluently. That's why I'm speaking in front of camera. That's why I'm speaking in front of mirror. You just speak in front of mirror. This is the magic, and you can see this is the magic to speaking this way. Okay, first thing is that what you learning. First thing is that learning. Second thing, that is revision. Okay, third thing is that what you just speak. And The last stage is the most important. You speak. Don't worry, the sentences has gone wrong. Don't worry. Okay, you just speak. If I am speaking, you can speak also. If I can do, you can do. Okay, so you can do everything. I know you can speak. I know you can. So please don't give up. Don't give up to speak. Okay, make sentences. Make step by step. Okay, make short sentences. You just speak. You don't translate. Don't translate, please. Don't translate. Okay, so